everyone, it's BrianaLynee here. Welcome back to my channel. All of my returning subscribers, what's up? All of my new passerbyers and or future subscribers, hello, welcome. So today I want to talk about something that is really important to me that I struggle with often, okay? And it's skin. My skin, some days my skin is like, honey, yes. Other days I'm like, hi, where's your paper bag aisle? Okay, great, thanks. I feel like, well, right now I can't really talk too much about skin because right now I'm kind of on the lower end because Starbucks just came out with their mocha cookie crumble and that is my go-to, and that's a lot of sugar. So I got me a big old pimple here and I got his cousins up here. All right, round them up. A solution to that is trying out different products that are great for your skin, but it's hard to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. So today I'm gonna talk to you guys about a brand called MelaSkin. MelaSkin was founded in March 2019 this year. It's Black owned and it's a skin subscription box. It's so cool. So let's get into it. So MelaSkin comes in this little box, which I think is so cute. This is the box that all your products will come in monthly. Well, of course, this box is in another shipping box, so this box doesn't get damaged. You know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. So this is the box, and inside there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just joking. All right, there are about 6 products. Can I count? Let me confirm. Yeah, about 6 products that you can try, and these are full-size products. So in this box, in this subscription today, we have some Aloe Natural coming through, amazing Aloe Natural, amazing black soap, Jamaican fruit body scent. We have a toner, which I'm excited to get into, 100% coconut oil. This is great to hydrate your skin. So if you're interested in the natural deodorant phase, you know, you want to smell like onions. I'm joking. If you are interested in the natural deodorant, there is a sample that you can try here. This brand, I'm not sure about the brand. Oh, Reading's Fundamental. It's right here. Body and Soul Naturally. Get a variety of products in here that are great to try. Now, how can you get this box? It's so easy. When you first open the MelaSkin box, you are greeted with a bomb brochure. In this bomb brochure, you open it and you have information about each product. So if, like me, you have sensitive skin, this would be your friend, okay? So you just need to read through this. You can find out more information about the products that you receive this month. And next month, when your next box comes, you'll have more products to try out so you can find what really fits for you. So I think that MelaSkin is awesome. I'm interested in signing up today to have another box come my way so I can just get into some more products because, like I said, I'm trying to get my skin back on track. It's not too bad, but I know it can be better than what it is. There is a very easy way to score your own free MelaSkin box. Now, all you have to do in 3 simple steps. Step 1, refer a friend. Step 2, the friend will subscribe to MelaSkin and receive a box, okay? You then will receive a box for referring that friend. But there is a limit, and I'll put all that information down in the description box. So if you're like me and you're hyped about this healthy skin journey, please be sure to comment below and tell me which products did you like or have you tried, or if you have signed up already. So I thank y'all so much for taking the time to watch this video and get into this unboxing with me. And be sure to look out for some future unboxings so we can have some more conversations down below. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace.